Jeremy J.Lo S. Lo. Kaano-ano niyo po si J.Lo. To our Rotary Club President, Dr. Roberto June Balibina. To the immediate past Governor, Arnold Mendoza. Immediate past President, Jonas Catachan. To my partners in public service, the Honorable Mayor of Taal, Mayor Nene Malando, the Honorable Mayor of San Luis, Mayor of Carlito Hernandez, to all the district officers, to all the dignitaries, fellow Rotarians, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga sarili. I wish to advance my sincere thanks and gratitude to Don June and of course the Rotary Club of Taal for this meaningful opportunity to speak before not just a distinguished Rotarian community, but the entire 3820 district as well. Palakpakan po natin ang District 3820 as well as the Rotary Club Taal. Back in 2022, the Rotary Club of Mabini first enlisted my inclination to community service. Since then, I have been twice the club president of Rotary Club of Mabini, best class, and transforming, respectively. Shout out sa mga classmates ko. Induction ceremonies like this truly rekindles the Rotarian spirit I have in me for 23 long years already. Indeed, once a Rotarian, forever a Rotarian. Tama o mali? Tama o mali? Round of applause for all the Rotarians across the world. I was thinking last night, what will be my take-off point for my message on this induction. There in the House of Representatives, we often say, we would rather talk on impeachment rather than the missing saboteros. Why? We do not want to be part of the bodies buried in the waterbed of Taal Lake. But on a serious note, coming from a cold-blooded Batangueña, I do not want to verbalize the horrifying impression now attached to the splendid Taal Lake. Sa lahat ng Batangueño na naririto, may kirot sa dibdib. Tama o mali? So, on the impeachment, Senate President Jesus Cordero said, if somebody will raise a motion to dismiss, the impeachment board will vote on the same without a trial. By the way, he is my ninong. Yes, heart is my nina. House prosecutors counter. The impeachment court has no power to dismiss. the Constitution provides that the Senate has the sole power to try and to decide all impeachment cases. The same does not include dismissal without trial. It is therefore mandatory that trial must proceed. Now, with this contrary opinion, what does District 3820 say? Dismissal or trial? Dismissal or trial? Mukhang marami akong kamang pipito. In my humble opinion, this is not a question of whether we are for the administration or for the opposition. This is a question of the supremacy of the people, of the mandate of the Constitution, of the call for accountability. Let me ask you, my fellow Rotarians, saan ba ang mga Rotarians na pagbataan ng Vice-Presidente ang buwan ng Presidente? Yes or no? Saan ba ang mga Rotarians na maubos ang confidential fund sa mga tao na ang mga pangalan ay walang pagkatitaan? Yes or no? Saan ba ang mga Rotarians na mamahagi ng kayona sa mga opisyales ng DepEd habang kulang na kulang ang mga mag-aaral sa kanilang silid-aralan? Yes or no? Amid the pressing issues surrounding our country today, the call, Unite for Good, a collective action for meaningful change, is indeed very timely. I once said, we do not need to be the president. We do not need to be the governor. We do not need to be the mayor for us to bring a meaningful change. All that we need is for us to become responsible citizens of this country. How? Number one, obey the laws. Can you see that? Obey the laws. Thank you. From local ordinances to national laws, if all Filipinos will only be obedient, then we will totally eradicate all trivialities, and that includes graft and corruption. Tama o mali? Tama o mali?